Hi, this is Dr. Pietro Aparicio from Adolescents Health, and today I will be talking to you about the global strategy for women's, children's, and adolescents' health, as the World Health Assembly is fast approaching from May 21st to 30th, 2023. The Global Strategy for Women's, Children's, and Adolescents' Health is an initiative launched by the World Health Organization in 2016. This 15-year plan that will end in 2030 aims to work on three key components: survive, thrive, and transform. One of the main objectives of this strategy is to eradicate the preventable death of women, children, and adolescents, and to attain a higher standard of health and well-being. This initiative branched under the Every Woman, Every Child global movement by the former United Nations Secretary General Ban Ki-moon. Also comes under the Sustainable Development Goals, or Global Goals as it is commonly known by the United Nations. According to the World Health Organization, their global strategy, developed through comprehensive analysis and studies, intends to motivate social activists, organizations, and member states to enhance their work toward a secure and stable environment for women, children, and adolescents with the help of potential stakeholders. The three main components of this strategy, survive, thrive, and transform, can be elaborated as the steps adopted by the initiative that works on 60 different indicators, of which 16 are the key indicators. The first key component, survive, emphasizes prevented, untimely, and avoidable death. This aligns with the Every Woman, Every Child's strategy. According to the United Nations, no woman, child, or adolescent should encounter a preventable death just because of their identity or birthplace. The second key component, thrive, dwells on securing healthcare for the targeted subjects so that their physical, mental, and emotional well-being is taken care of. Now, coming to the third key component, transform, aims to eradicate all potential barriers that limit an enabling environment for their smooth living. The Global Strategy for Women's, Children's, and Adolescents' Health has the potential to transform the life of millions of people across the globe. This commendable strategy aims to ensure that women, children, and adolescents enjoy their life in a safe environment and with no limitations. That's all for today. I will see you again with more informative videos on the World Health Assembly 2023. Thank you for watching.